For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and all those One UI 6.1 related devices like a tablet, the S23, etc. And the video is on brightness and how to get extra brightness. So I know our phones are already very bright, but if you ever had a time where you've gone outside and it's just not enough brightness in direct sunlight, there's a way to fix this. So you want to go ahead and pull the drop down, and here's the brightness slider. And as you can see, there's 3 buttons for a menu. Go ahead and tap that and then turn on extra brightness. And you can already see it got substantially brighter. In order to make this work though, however, a caveat, you have to have adaptive brightness turned off. If you have that turned on, it's going to adjust the brightness itself, which I don't necessarily like because it only goes so bright in the sunlight. So if you're outside, direct sunlight, go to extra brightness, and then this thing gets super, super, super bright. Okay, so cool feature. So that's my video on the brightness. I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.